Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Our newest platform update has gone live, and there's 3 features I'd like to share with you. Those features are new features on the alerts for sorting, a new view results histogram, and some overnight filters that have been added to the SSE. So let me show you where they're at. First, we're going to go to alerts. In the alerts section, we've added a new drop-down box for the opening filters, which will allow you to search by the opening location of where the strategy would signal at. So if I click on this, I can see the different opening filters that I've got strategies for the current day. And what I can do is just click on any of those to narrow down to just that opening location. That way, when you get closer to the open, if you don't want to sort through all of your alerts, you can simply look at the ones that are likely to be in play for the session. The next feature is the results distribution. So let me click on one of these alerts to load it into Discover, and then I'll show you the new feature within Discover. So the View Results Distribution button is located on the right side of the screen once you click View Results or once you load Backtest into Discover. So if I click on View Results Distribution, I'll get an image that looks something like this, and it will vary depending on the backtest that you have ran. The results distribution allows you to see how the backtest of the strategy that you're looking at has performed historically in a different view. It's set up as a histogram where the left vertical axis over here is showing the amount of trades and the bottom horizontal axis is showing you the amount. So the taller the bar, the more trade count that is within the sample that you're looking at. And then on the bottom, the further to the extremes, the larger the move that has happened historically. You've got a zero line right here in the middle. You've got an average trade that is notated, as well as plus and minus, plus on the right, minus on the left, one standard deviation from the average trade. The bars that are green are all of the winning trades historically, and bars that are red are all the losing trades historically. And these are all based upon trading a single contract of whatever instrument you are looking at. In this quick example here, you can see the majority of the trades have fallen between minus $600, which is on this minus one standard deviation level, and plus $800 on the right side here for plus one standard deviation. The most common trade in this sample is plus $400. There's 55 samples here. If you hover your mouse over any of the bars, it will tell you the sample size. This can be very helpful for finding what is a normal expectation for a trade and what is not. Lastly, let's hop over to SSE and take a look at the new addition there. In SSE, we've added a new library which is currently only available for the ES contract called Overnight Filters. The overnight filters are available in Discover for ES only as well, but now that we've got them in Discover, we have added them to the SSE section. That way you can search for overnight filters and what has done best historically from the overnight filters. So all you got to do is just click on the drop down from the library to isolate the overnight filters if you want to examine those further. We hope you enjoy these new features. If you got any questions, you can always hit this Tell Us button in the bottom right or send me an email, matt@investiquant.com.